Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? This is Studio Ray's Boys and the Toys. Listen, got a quick I guess unboxing. I was gonna do something on this here. Alright, it's called the Vacmaster. Alright, I picked this up at BJ's, and I'm sure if you have a BJ's credit card, you know every time you buy something you get some award points. I end up using my award points to purchase this thing. So the award points is pretty good. Again, it's buy those things that you wouldn't normally buy. So use those award points and buy those tip items. I needed a shop vac. Alright, the one I had was too dusty, old, so I ended up getting rid of it, and this will be my replacement. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open it up, let you guys get a closer look at it. Alright guys, as you open it up, this is how it's gonna be compact. To get the directions, of course, to the unit. Got your accessories packed to the side here. So what we're gonna do, alright, I'm gonna take it all out. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Alright, I'm gonna need two hands to get this out, so let me sit down the video, and I'm gonna take this out and show you guys. Like a good machine. What I like about it has a little Velcro right here to help you tie it up. Open it up and just push these two blue things in, lift it off. So they got a lock and unlock mechanism. Take off the this head here. It works like this, a little hole here, so easy to this up. Good large filter. Alright. What I like about this one, filter too, I like the rubber gaskets. So that's definitely a better quality gasket than the one I had. Alright guys, I just want to show you a little closer to it. Alright, see the little locking mechanism? It says left to right, lock, unlock. Goes right into this. Nice raised gasket, so you get a nice airtight. Put this down, turn it. Now it's locked in. So I like that feature, and it's all your stuff in here. Nice large pipe, and all your accessories. Cast your little wheels. So let me just set the camera to the side. I'm gonna put it together. It's really nothing. It's easy to put together, guys. So for the price point that I bought this, I think it's well worth it. But let me get it all hooked up, and I'm gonna turn it on, start vacuuming my minivan, and see how the suction power is. That's the most important. Alright guys, I just want to show you. It's very easy to put these things together. As you can see, it has a little lip here. It goes right in here. It's pretty much idiot proof. All you do is going to slip it down. They give you screws. Take the screws, put them in here. That's it. Alright, nothing complicated whatsoever about this. Alright. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. Being a one-man show. That's it. Go right here. Let's screw it down. You're done. Alright? So, 4 screws. And that's how you get the wheels on. Okay. They also give you a handle, and I gotta figure out where this handle go. I don't see it over here. I'm assuming it's gonna be on top of the. Yeah. All right, right here. The handle's gonna go right there. So you get 2 more screws. Here, and that's it. Alright guys, that's really simple. It's a simple setup, nothing complicated. A big nice large power button there to turn it on. It's 5 peak horsepower, 12 gallons, and here's assorted. And what I like about it too, they got the little things that you can put your accessories, so you're not constantly losing them. So pop it in there. Pop it in there. Alright. They also got where you can, around here, you could wrap your hose so it locks in. So I like that feature, that it keeps all the accessories together, keep it nice all together and compact. As opposed to my other one had to have my accessories all scattered everywhere. So let me continue to put this together and show the final product. Alright. Guys, as you can see, this is how it looks. I like the machine. It's a lot better than the one I had. The one thing I want to point out too, what I like about it, when you put your holes in, it's not by pressure. It has this little notch to lock it in. So I like that right here. It has a little notch. It goes with this. So when you push it in, as you wheeling this along, it's not gonna pull out itself. So I definitely like that. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go over here and start backing in my van, and give me a few minutes to operate this thing, and I'll come back and let you know what I think of the sucking power on it. Alright, but overall, I like how it's set up. Again, not that much, doesn't cost that much, and that's it. Got a couple more points where you can put more accessories up here, which I like. And again, wrap up the cord so it's all staying together. So let me get this going, let me get it turned on, and I'll come back and let you know how it does on vacuuming my minivan. Alright. Hi guys, just to give you a quick, this thing is powerful. This thing is definitely It's definitely worth the 50 bucks I paid for it. Only thing, I think this is a big, a big tube. I guess is the 2-inch version. If you want to get a smaller one, you're gonna have to just get an adapter to downsize it so you can get a smaller suction tools to use. So that's no big deal. You can pick that up anywhere. So actually, I think I have a couple adapters in the house. So but overall, I'm happy with this machine. All right, it's a good machine for the price point. All right, again, you guys are looking for a shop vac, I don't think you'd be disappointed with this version. All right, so I'll put a link where I got it from. I got it from BJ's, and yeah, it's gonna do the job. I'm happy I picked it up. All right, hi guys. I think let me get back in here, cleaning my old dirty van here, and that's it. This Studio Ray's Boys and Their Toys, profiling the Vacmaster shop vac, and I think is a good look for the price, especially if you can get it with your BJ's awards. Then it won't cost you anything. All right, guys, like, subscribe, and I'll check you on the next one later.